Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So today we're going to take a look in the box of the Oculus Quest 2 VR headset. Now this is by Facebook since they bought them out, but really excited about checking this out and seeing what's in the box. Now I'm looking forward to trying like Microsoft Flight Simulator with it when they release all the VR capabilities for it, but plenty of other games like the Steam games and the other Oculus games. Now this is the 64 gigabyte version that we have here. Sells for about $2.99. You can usually pick it up. Actually, I'll put a link below here if you want to do that. You can pick it up from Best Buy. May be available on Amazon as well, so those links will be right there for you. But let's go ahead and take a look and see actually what's in the box. I already took the plastic off of it, make it a little bit easier. So that's the external box there. I have the secondary box, all pretty heavy duty. This is cool. All right, so you can see it right there. You can see the whole thing right there. It's probably not a lot of different things in here. All right, I'm gonna take this out and I am gonna show you. So right here we have this first little box. Let's see what's in it. Looks like my little getting started guide, how to use it, all that type of fun stuff. Power cables and a little charger for the wall. That is great. Here are the little handheld devices. Got both of them there, and pretty comfortable and nice, conforming to your hand. And it also has the little wrist straps, kind of like we would see on the Wii, so they're not going to fly off if you're fighting ninjas or robots. But really easy to use and nice and smooth and easy to click buttons and little joypads, all that type of fun stuff. So looking forward to checking those out. Also, it does have these little pull tabs on the back. I guess that just activates the batteries that are inside there. And then here is the actual Oculus Quest 2. You can kind of see what that looks like and get an idea inside. So I'm probably going to have to charge this up to get everything going. Let's see if I can kind of see it. So there is some battery power there. I'm going to want to take those little stickers off. Thank you for taking the stickers off. Ooh, it's making lots of sound and stuff. It's probably not. Hello. Whoa. Wow, that is clear. Oh man, if you haven't seen the videos of these test ones, you are gonna be in shock. That is super clear. And what I would say right here is you can see I am wearing my own goggles and it fits nice and comfortably with the foam padding around here. Not a problem at all. Some of them were really too tight, some of the older ones that you would just put your phone in, but that is really cool. We also have a volume control there on the bottom, so I'm gonna go ahead, charge that up, and then you also have the adjustable head strap, volume right here, so you can get the volume up and down, and then it looks like the headphone jack, so a standard 1/8 headphone jack, as well as the USB-C connector right there. So that is what's in the box of the Oculus Quest 2. Again, the 64 gigabyte, you can typically pick it up for $2.99 depending where you find it. But another thing about this is you will need a Facebook account because it is owned by Facebook. So to create the Oculus account, you will need Facebook. So keep that in mind. I'm looking forward to really checking out some of these video games that not only they recommend, but also had my brother also send me some that he recommends to check out too. So looking to get into some of this VR immersion and figure out actually how great this looks, and super excited about it. So make sure to like, subscribe, click that little bell icon wherever it is, wherever YouTube decided to put it this week, and make sure to look for the review video coming out shortly. So thank you so much for watching. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews, and I'll see you soon.